Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Best of PowerPoint, and in this video I will be showing you how to insert a text behind an object like this in PowerPoint. Here you can see that I have written friends where the font resembles to that of the one used in the logo of the Friends TV show, and in this video I will explain you how to download and install that font in your system. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, we need to download an image where the text is to be written. I always prefer the website named unsplash.com, which offers tons of free stock images to download. So let me search here friends, and then I will download a suitable picture by clicking on download free. Insert the image in your PowerPoint slide. Resize the image so as to fit it completely in the slide. You can take the help of the crop tool to do the same. I think I should increase the picture size a little bit. Guys, do subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to stay updated of my latest videos. Alright, now I want to write friends text in the slide, and for that I will download a specific font which resembles the logo text of the Friends TV series. I will be providing the download link for this font in the YouTube show notes below. In order to install this font in PowerPoint, I have already made a separate video for this where I have explained in detail how to download and install new fonts in PowerPoint, and I will be providing the link for the same in the description box below. So kindly go watch that video first to install this font in PowerPoint. Now I will duplicate the whole slide by pressing Ctrl+D, and for the new slide, select the picture, go to the picture format tab and click on remove background. What I will do is I will separate the foreground from the background in the image, and by now you must have understood that I will place my text between the foreground and the background. If you guys are beginner and don't know how to remove a picture background, I have already explained it in detail in my other video where I have explained 8 different ways to crop a picture in PowerPoint. You can watch the video and learn this tool in detail. However, in brief, I can tell you that you have got 2 options here: mark areas to keep and mark areas to remove, and by using these 2 options you can easily remove the background of any picture. Kindly observe me carefully how I remove the background for this picture. Guys, while I was removing the background for this picture, my system got hanged and I had to shut down the PowerPoint software and restart it. It happens sometimes when the load gets high, particularly because I began to work on the very minute details in the picture. Alright, so after you have removed the background for your picture, it's time to write the text on the original image. Change the font to the one which we have just downloaded and installed. I will edit this text a little bit and add an outline border to it. And now I will cut the foreground picture from the second slide by pressing the shortcut key Ctrl+X and paste it onto the original one by pressing Ctrl+V. To make sure that the two images overlap completely, go to the Picture Format tab and select Align Center and then select Align Middle for both the images. Wow, looks amazing. And now you can animate the text the way you want. First of all, let me open the selection pane and rename all the objects in the slide. I will name them as the foreground picture, the background picture, and the friend's text. And now I will select the text, open more entrance effects from here, and add the float down effect. Open the animations pane, right click the effect and open the effect options. Under the timings tab, set the duration time to 3 seconds and click OK. And this is how the final effect looks. So in this way, you can write a text behind an object in a picture, and you can try and experiment some new ways to further beautify this effect. Just keep trying something different and something new. So that's it guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you. Please like and share the video and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.